This is the letter A. A.
This is the letter B. B.
This is the letter C. This is the letter C. This is the letter D. This is the letter E. E. This is the letter F. F. Wow, that was so much fun! This is the letter G. G. This is the letter H. H. This is the letter I. I. This is the letter J. J. This is the letter K. K. This is the letter L. L. This is the letter M. M.
This is the letter N. Nen.
N. This is the letter O. O. This is the letter P. P. This is the letter Q. Q. This is the letter R. R. This is the letter S. S. This is the letter T. T. This is the letter U. U. This is the letter V. V. This is the letter W. W. This is the letter X. X. This is the letter Y. Y. This is the letter Z. Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Hooray! We know our ABC. Bye-bye. Subscribe to my channel, kids. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.
Sing with BabyMelon, hip hip hooray!